Well, first of all, I am a bit provoked by the statement of collide. I think instead that human, artificial intelligence, technology, process, they need to integrate together. Our goal as leaders is to avoid collision. For sure, the arrival of artificial intelligence, like the artificial intelligence agent that were shared this morning in the presentation from another company, are the main transformation that is happening now, on top of already all that we had in Industry 4.0. In semiconductor, robots and cobots have entered in the last years progressively, and I would say even massively in some cases, into the shop floor, and they operate together with human people. Robots are taking the main role in transportation of semi-finished parts from equipment A to equipment B, or in even loading and unloading equipment. There are robots running on the shop floor, and depending on the kind of manufacturing, there is also what we call OHT, that is transportation by rail, done by robots, and then loading of the equipment from the top. All in all, having the opportunity of working outsourcing, I really see a huge number of semiconductor companies and a huge number of semiconductor shop floor. This trend is everywhere at different pace, from companies that are just starting to companies where really at the end of the day you don't see any more human on the shop floor except the engineer in charge of the maintenance. Well, of course, this new era of manufacturing is generating new jobs, because you need a control room to manage the robots and the cobots. There are new jobs like the maintenance engineer of the robot themselves, the technician who take care of them. Okay. There is the software engineer who is in charge of artificial intelligence-based scheduling and dispatching for the shop floor, and so on and so forth. So really, we are moving upstream in the kind of competence that we require from our workers on the shop floor, and this is accelerating, actually, we say, entering in the room. So far is the fact that, for example, 2 months ago, I participated to a conference in China that was semiconductor only. So on one hand, at the time, we were able to go deeper on our sector-specific issues, while here, the big advantage for me is that you really hear at 360 degrees from many different angles, from many different industry inputs that you cannot see looking only at your sector, but then maybe you can rethink, adapt, and reuse. Well, I don't see this as a trade show. There are some sponsors, true, and I met a couple of them during the break. However, this is, to me, a conference where industry leaders speak to industry leaders and share experiences. This is the main difference that I see compared to a standard trade conference. We are not just here to offer product to each other. We are here to exchange competence and experience.